Hey fam, it's Linda Word. So I am coming on to show you guys this hair. I am actually on my way on vacation. Hubby and I and my grandbaby, we are going to Galveston, Texas, which is right off the Gulf. Cause y'all know I am crazy about some water. I love me some water. But mostly importantly, my grandbaby said she wanted to see the ocean. So we were like, Galveston, here we come. But I also bought me some makeup, some Urban Decay. So this is their primer that I bought. It's called Optical Illusion. And then I went ahead and bought the foundation, and this is in color shade 110. So yeah, and I really just need one pump, and really not even that much of this because it's a pretty good coverage. So and then of course I went ahead and got the Urban Decay foundation brush. And I'm really not used to using a foundation brush. I'm used to my sponges. But why not? I was there, so I figured I'd just go ahead and get it. So what I did is I went online a couple of days back and I got us a 1-bedroom apartment, of course, which has the ocean view. It is 12 o'clock and the drive from where I'm at to um, Galveston is about a 3.5 hour drive from San Antonio, Texas. So, yeah. So, I'm just going to throw some makeup on and get on up out of here. And this is just regular old foundation powder. I got this out the dollar store. It's mineral powder, just regular powder. I am so excited, y'all. I just can't wait. So y'all know I'm going to be doing me some videos. I'll take some pictures of whatnot and what's going on. and I'm ready. Ready. So here's the hair. Here's how she's looking. It's looking a little dry, but I'm not going to put anything, because I'm getting ready to get in the car. I'm not going to worry about that. I'll put some water on it and spray the ends. But yeah, I am so in love with this hair. So yeah. Alright, so off to my 3-day vacation. Bye y'all.